In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A05s, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening settings and choosing connections right away. Then tap on more connection settings, select printing and click on default print service. Now wait, your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use a different service, tap on this switcher at the top. Go back, hit download plugin and install the best one for you. When it's ready, go back to the same settings. Then click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!